So now, as you know a little about how to work on terminal and how to change directories and how we can put commands on terminal and what results they are going to show us, I am going to tell you how we can install new tools and new softwares into Kali Linux, and how we can update the sources, and how we can actually upgrade the pre-installed tools and softwares. So let's get into Kali and we are going to see it now. So uh, the command to install a new software is apt-get install, and after that we are going to write the name of a software we actually want to install. For example, I want you to install this program and its name is Terminator. It is actually a terminal. It's a terminal just like this terminal we are using, but it has a little advantage. I am going to tell you what it is. But before installing that, I want you to run another command, which is apt-get update. So apt-get update is a command which is going to update the libraries, and it is actually it is going to update the source list. Source list is a file actually which contains the links to the libraries, and it is going to fetch the softwares and tools from there actually. So you don't need to get into all those details. Just put in this command and I want you to run it. So once you enter this, and it is going to take a while, and it is going to update all the source list, and it will be just like a new version of Kali actually. So this is going to take some time, so I'm going to control C it, and it is going to turn off the command for me. So now I can put in apt-get install terminator and press enter. Now it is asking me, do I want to continue? I am going to press Y and I am going to press enter, and it is now downloading the software actually. So if we want to install a new software, we are going to run this command same like this. Just going to change the name of the software after that. So now we can see that Terminator has installed for us, and we are going to look into that in a minute, but I want to tell you about another command, that is apt-get upgrade. So what it is going to do is it is going to upgrade any pre-installed software. For example, if we have an old terminal, it is going to update it to a new terminal, to a new version of terminal actually. So it is going to update all the softwares that are installed on the Kali machine. And if you do it, it is going to take some while for you. So just wait for it to let it do its work, and it will complete in some time. And if you get some errors, I would recommend you to make a snapshot before you run this command. So if any problem comes up, so you can go back to the old state of the machine. And if it's working fine, you can just make another screenshot so you can know that it's an upgraded system and it's working fine for you. So now let us look into Terminator. I am going to show you. We can go here and we can type in Terminator, and here it is. I am going to actually add it to my favorites so I can easily access it. So here it is. Here is Terminator, and let it load for us, and we're going to see how it looks like. So you can see that it looks like the terminal we were using before, but there is only one difference in it. So the difference in this Terminator is that we can actually split the screen. Once you right click it, you can see that there is a split horizontally option available. So we can click here, and we see that there are two terminals available here. So we can say ls here, and we can do cd documents here, and we can see, and if we click here, we can split it vertically too. So this is a terminal which will be very useful in the future, because we can do multiple tasks at the similar time, and we don't have to open many windows, so we don't have to switch in those windows. So and another thing I wanted to tell you how we can change the password for our current root account. So the command is very simple. We just type in PASSWD, that is password, and we press enter, and it asks us for a new Unix password. So you can type in any password you want. It is actually not going to show up for you because it is a security feature in Kali, so it don't show how many digits we are typing. It just types in the background. If we click enter, and we can see that the password has been updated successfully. And once you log in again, so you will have to enter the new password you just updated here. So this will be all for this video, and I want to update your system and